It's Hollandaise Day. Okay, this is a couple of egg yolks I have in my little container. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, about a tablespoon, maybe, not quite, of water. And a little bit of, oh, so super crazy fresh lemon juice from a green plastic container. Don't judge. And then this is my Braun immersion blender. I love this thing. It's really old though, and it has a booster setting. So if you have a stick blender with a booster setting, use booster. This is 120 grams, just slightly over a half a cup of screaming hot, right out of the microwave, melted butter. And what you do is you drizzle. That's it. Look at me learning how to speed up my video so it doesn't take forever. Anyway, little drizzles, little drops. Start really, really, really slow. This stuff will break. And yeah, you just drizzle it in. It gets super thick. It gets lovely and luscious. And this particular batch is for oven roasted grilled asparagus that I'm going to do for tomorrow for book club. And my plan is that we can just dip it right into this hollandaise and then eat it like cavemen. You can also, if you have a really good steak, make this, add a little bit of tarragon. Makes the béarnaise. Add pepper as well. This, as you'll notice, doesn't have any pepper in it. You can add a little bit of sugar in there if you want. Just make sure that as you're blending it, if you start to get a little ahead, you can just, take a few minutes to whip it, or a minute to whip it up. And look at this, how super thick and beautiful. Taste it, taste it. Yeah, look, see? Nice and thick. The consistency is gorgeous. And I make this right in this little plastic container, throw a lid on it and shove it in the refrigerator. It can actually stand up to being microwaved to reheat, just go really, really slow. Or you can put it in a jar and put boiling water around it. That also works. Anyway, there you go. Super quick, super easy, super delicious hollandaise, ready for any eventuality.